Hello there. Gusto ko manampal ng kalaban ngayon kaya gagamitin ko ang hero na si Boss Franco. Okay, fine, ako na lang ang mag-jungle beats.
Smash them! All troops deployed! Well played!
Abat hindi pa nga nagsisimula well played na. Keto at nanhuhuno makiagaw ng red buff. Petri ko lang yan mamaya waha.
You gotta listen!
Hayon at tila ba na petrify na siya sa trauma.
One shot, one kill! Yeah! Gonna teach you some rules, guys!
Great play!
Yeah!
Double kill! Triple kill!
Hala nang gigil na sa kalaban, hahaha, triple kill pa nga inis yan dahil naagawan ng red buff.
And to teach you guys a lesson!
Fast forward, ako naman ang nakaranas maagawan ng kill, bilis nga naman ng karma.
An enemy has been slain! Shut down! You have slain an enemy! Enemy has been slain! Double kill! Enemy double kill! Your team destroyed the turret!
Takbo na lang tayo dahil dalawa na pala sila.
An enemy has been slain! Kill!
And to teach you guys a
Grasa na
lesson!
lumalapit, papakawalan pa ba? Pang ka Daddy Franco, pabilisin natin pag-uwi mo.
One shot, one kill!
Killing spree! Well played! Shut down! An enemy has been slain! Killing spree! Shut down! Unstoppable!
Abat nakakarami ka na, Leslie. Basta wala kayong nakita. Paumanhin mga kasama, subalit nag-shutdown na ang aking city.